told you that the chronic health issues that you've been struggling with, whether it's anxiety, depression, constant fatigue, or even insomnia, might all be traced back to one overlooked source, your gut? Now I know it sounds surprising, doesn't it? But your gut, often called your second brain, has a powerful influence over nearly every aspect of your well-being. Imagine if you could finally take control of your emotions, your energy, and your overall health by focusing on one crucial part of your body, your gut. You see, your gut isn't just about digestion. It's deeply connected to your brain, influencing everything from your mood and your memory to your immune system. In this video, I'm going to reveal how addressing your gut health could be the missing piece in your fight against chronic issues like inflammation, anxiety, and cognitive decline. If you've been battling mood swings, digestive problems like leaky gut, or even memory issues, you're not alone. These are common symptoms of an imbalanced gut microbiome, and the truth is that many people suffer silently because they don't realize the connection. But here's the good news. Improving your gut health is not only possible, it's easier and safer than you might think. And that's what this video is all about. As you watch, you'll discover simple, actionable steps that you can take to heal your gut, which in turn will improve your overall health. These tips are designed to restore balance to your gut-brain axis, meaning you'll not only feel better physically, but also mentally and emotionally. You can feel more focused, energetic, and emotionally balanced, all by making a few changes to support your gut health. And here's why you should stick around to the end of this video. I'll be sharing a resource where you can access targeted lab tests that can help you get to the root of persistent health issues. If you've been following the recommendations in this video but still aren't feeling your best, these tests could be the key to unlocking answers for you. I'll guide you to a website that offers a comprehensive stool analysis, a SIBO test, and a neurotransmitter test. These tests provide detailed insights into the health of your gut microbiome, identifying imbalances, infections, or deficiencies that could be contributing to your chronic health issues. Armed with this knowledge, you can take targeted steps toward restoring your gut health and improving your overall well-being. And I'll explain everything in easy to understand terms so you don't have to worry about getting lost in medical jargon. So if you're finally ready to get to the root of your chronic health issues and start feeling better, keep watching. This could be the breakthrough that you're waiting for. Hi, I'm Dr. Laura Van Bryce, a chiropractor and functional medicine practitioner, and I combine the best of traditional and alternative medicine using a thorough approach to understand your health needs. My mission is to help you live your best life by supporting your journey to optimal health and wellness. But before I dive in, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you want practical tips and strategies that can help you live a happier, healthier life. I upload a new video each week. The gut-brain axis refers to the complex communication network that links your gut to your brain. This connection involves multiple systems in your body, including your nervous system, your immune system, and your endocrine or hormonal system. And here's how it works. Number one, your nervous system. The gut and brain are connected through the vagus nerve, which allows for direct communication between your gut and your brain. And this may surprise you, but the gut has its own nervous system, which can operate independently of the brain, but it also sends signals to the brain and is known as the enteric nervous system. And this is why the gut is often referred to as your second brain. Number two, the microbiome. The gut is home to trillions of bacteria and other microorganisms, collectively known as your gut microbiome. These microbes play a crucial role in your digestion, your immune function, and even your production of neurotransmitters, which are the chemicals that influence your mood and your cognition. For example, a large portion of serotonin, a neurotransmitter that affects your mood and your sense of well-being, is produced in your gut. Number three, your immune system. The gut houses a significant portion of your body's immune cells. These cells help protect your body from pathogens and also influence the level of inflammation that you have in your body, which will affect both your gut and your brain. Number 4, your endocrine system. Hormones are produced in the gut and can influence brain function. For instance, hormones like cortisol, which is released in response to stress, can affect gut health. And conversely, hormones produced in your gut can influence your brain function and your mood. As you can see, the gut is a central player in your overall health and well-being. It's not just about digesting food, it's about maintaining a balanced, healthy body and mind. And when your gut is in good shape, it can positively impact everything from your digestion to your mood, to your energy levels, to your immune system, and even your mental clarity. That's why understanding and taking care of your gut health is so important. By focusing on your gut-brain axis, you can unlock the key to feeling better both physically and mentally. Whether you're dealing with chronic inflammation, mood swings, or cognitive challenges, addressing your gut health could be the game changer that you've been looking for. Okay, so what can disrupt your gut health and your gut-brain axis? Well, number 1, a poor diet. Consuming processed foods, low-fiber foods, and foods that cause sensitivities can harm your gut bacteria and cause inflammation. Number 2, chronic stress. Both psychological and physical stress disrupt your gut bacteria and your gut-brain communication. Number 3, medications. Antibiotics, NSAIDs, and proton pump inhibitors, your PPIs, can negatively impact your gut health by killing beneficial bacteria or damaging your gut lining. Number 4, infections and illnesses. Gastrointestinal infections and chronic diseases like IBS can lead to long-term gut issues. Number 5, environmental toxins. Pollutants, pesticides, and chemicals in your food can harm your gut bacteria and contribute to inflammation. Number 6, a lack of exercise. A sedentary lifestyle can lead to an unhealthy gut microbiome. Number 7, sleep deprivation. Poor sleep quality disrupts the gut microbiome and the gut-brain axis. Number 8, alcohol consumption. Excessive alcohol damages the gut lining and disrupts your gut bacteria. And number 9, hormonal imbalances. Hormonal changes, especially from stress or even menopause, can negatively impact your gut health and the communication with your brain. When these factors disrupt your gut health, they can lead to a breakdown in the gut-brain axis, which can manifest as a wide range of symptoms from poor digestion to mood disorders like anxiety and depression. So addressing these disruptors is key to restoring balance and improving your overall health. So to improve gut health and support your gut-brain axis, consider these strategies. Number 1, optimize gut health. Add probiotics and prebiotic-rich foods to your diet and increase fiber intake to nourish and balance your gut microbiome. Number 2, reduce inflammation. Adopt an anti-inflammatory rich diet in omega-3s, leafy greens, and spices like turmeric and ginger to reduce inflammation in both the gut and the brain. Number 3, manage your stress. Practice mindfulness, meditation, or get regular exercise to lower your stress levels and positively impact your gut health. Number 4, improve your sleep. Maintain a consistent sleep schedule and create a calming sleep environment to support your gut and your brain health. Number 5, detoxify your gut. Stay hydrated and consume liver-supporting foods like cruciferous vegetables to help detoxify your body and maintain a healthy gut lining. Number 6, focus on nutrient-rich foods. Ensure your diet includes essential nutrients like B vitamins, magnesium, zinc, and omega-3s to support your brain and your gut health. Number 7, address your food sensitivities. Identify and eliminate foods that cause gut irritation and consider food sensitivity testing to pinpoint specific triggers. And if you need help with this, there's a link at the end of the video where you can order your own food sensitivity test. Number 8, support digestive function. Use digestive enzymes if you need them, and chew your food thoroughly to aid digestion and reduce stress on your gut. Number 9, maintain a healthy gut barrier. Incorporate bone broth or collagen supplements, and consider L-glutamine to support your gut lining integrity and prevent leaky gut. And number 10, consider functional medicine testing. If you've tried everything at home, but you still haven't seen the improvement in your gut health or your gut-brain axis, it might be time to consider some specialized lab tests. Functional medicine testing, such as a comprehensive stool analysis, a SIBO breath test, or food sensitivities test, can help identify underlying gut imbalances. Additionally, neurotransmitter testing can provide insights into how your gut health is affecting your brain function. And with these results, we can develop a more targeted approach to address your specific health challenges and address the root causes of your dysfunction. Taking care of your gut is one of the most powerful things that you can do for your overall health and well-being. By implementing these strategies, you can start to heal your gut, improve your mood, boost your energy, and enhance your mental clarity. And remember, small, consistent changes can lead to big improvements in how you feel every day. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What's one thing that you're struggling with that you think might be connected to your gut health? Share your thoughts in the comments below and let's start a conversation. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and share it with someone who could benefit. And remember, subscribe to my channel for more practical tips and strategies to live a happier, healthier life. Now, in my next video that you should watch is this one: 8 shocking ways toxins poison your brain and cause brain fog. So go watch this video next.